ThawEasy Smart Pro machine operating. Key features: integrated sensors. Machine equipped with a water level sensor and a straw sensor to ensure accurate thawing and prevent errors. Smart Bluetooth connectivity. Connects seamlessly with the Prompt ThawEasy mobile application for easy control and monitoring. Automatic detection and alerts. Provides buzzer alerts and on-screen notifications at key stages of the thawing process. Precise thawing control. Allows users to set temperature and time parameters for consistent thawing performance. Operating steps. Turn on the power switch of the ThawEasy Smart Pro. The left side LEDs will indicate the battery level. Open the Prompt ThawEasy app, available on the Google Play Store. Tap the Bluetooth icon in the app to pair the machine. Once connected, the second LED on the right side will glow. In the app, set the desired water temperature and thawing duration according to your requirement. Pour 40 milliliters of water into the machine. Press the start button in the app. The water level sensor will verify the quantity. If the level is not correct, the process cannot be started until it reaches exactly 40 milliliters. Once the water level is correct, press the start button in the app. The machine will begin heating the water to the set temperature. When the target temperature is reached, a buzzer will sound and a notification will appear, instructing you to insert the straw. The straw sensor will detect the inserted straw. When the countdown finishes, a buzzer and visual alert will prompt you to remove the straw. The straw sensor will detect removal automatically. The app will display the thawing summary, including the start time and end time for reference.